love you, you love me. We are happy family. Our family is very happy. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. What did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we had rulers in our class. We had sticks, we had books, so many dusters, pair of scissors, glue sticks. What are we doing? And people were busy moving up and down. The class was so messy. People were up and down. They were all over, moving from this corner to this corner. What were they doing? Teacher, we did measurement. Very good. And what did we say measurement is? What is measurement? We said measurement is finding a unit, finding just a number to represent anything. If I asked you yesterday, we measured the length of our classroom. What did we use? We used a stick. Which one? The big one and the small one. And we measured from end to end. That is length. Today we want to talk about something else. Which one holds more? And how do we find out which one holds more? We find out which one holds more by measuring. And this one always happen in liquid things. Do you know what are liquid? Liquid are watery things. Things that can be poured. It can be juice. It can be cooking fat. It can be petrol. It can be kerosene. Jik. Do you use jik at home? Do you know jik is a dangerous chemical found at home? Yes. It can be water, tea. So let us find out which one holds more. Look at our table. What can you see on this table? On this table, we have bottles, we have jugs, we have bowls, glasses. We have even a very nice kettle. You seeing our kettle? Wow, very beautiful. Now, we want to find out if I take this glass and I want to give someone water, maybe two of them in this glass, and then I take this glass like this, I fill it and pour it in this jug. Did the glass fill the jug? No. Why? The jug holds more than the glass. Nice. What if I take this jug like this, fill it nicely, and then I take and I want to fill this water in this tumbler. Let me fill. What? I'm still remaining with like 3 or 4 tumblers here. Meaning the jug holds more than the tumbler. What about this tumbler and the bottle? Let's see. This tumbler and the bottle. What? It even poured. So the tumbler holds more than the bottle. Let's see. What about this kettle of ours and the glass? Has it filled the glass? No. Meaning the glass holds more than the kettle. So let's try and compare these things. We have so many things in our homes that we normally compare. Look at the bucket here. What can you say about this bucket when you compare it to this jug? Teacher, the bucket is big. What about the jug? The jug is small. So we are saying the bucket holds more. The bucket holds more than the bucket holds more than the jug. Someone to give me a sentence using the kettle. Look at our kettle. Someone give me a sentence using this kettle and tell me something. When we measured, what did we find out? The kettle and this tumbler. Someone tell me something. A sentence using the kettle and the tumbler. What can you say? Teacher, the tumbler holds more than the kettle. 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 Very good. Now let's continue comparing our containers and make more sentences from this. Someone to make this container, we have the ball. Give me a sentence using the ball and the bottle. You tell me something about the ball and the bottle. Another one will give us a sentence using the glass, or using this glass and the small jug. The glass and the small jug. So when we meet after the PE lesson, I'm going to take those books for marking, and I see how you have compared your items. Which one holds more and which one holds less. So when we meet after the PE lesson, I want to see 2 sentences using ball and the bottle, comparing the glass and the jug. Up to there. I know you want to play with this water. That's what you're just waiting for. I finish, you come and play with this water, but you make sure you carry it outside, not in class, because you might slip on that floor and hurt yourself. You know, these are tiles and they hurt badly. So make sure you clean up the place, then you do the measuring from outside. But when you go home today in the evening, find out how big is your jug, how big is your kettle, how big does your sufuria hold. If you use the jug to fill the sufuria, will the jug fill the sufuria, or will the sufuria fill the jug? Up to there, any question? I hope you had a nice lesson and hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.